Medical notes this week. Diabetics may no longer have to suffer through frequent injections. A new pill can deliver insulin and similar medication, making needles a thing of the past. This new design uses pressure to create a small explosion that shoots the drugs past the normal barriers and into the bloodstream. The results are published in the Journal of Controlled Release. Should you skip the doctor and just ask AI? Researchers have found that a new model is significantly better than doctors at identifying people most likely to have a cardiac arrest. The AI is able to analyze imaging and comb through a person's entire medical history to uncover hidden details of their heart health. Scientists are hopeful this program can help catch patients with hard-to-detect heart disease. The research is published in the journal Nature Cardiovascular Research. How you can unlock superhuman healing. New research in the journal Cell Metabolism shows how depriving your diet of a common amino acid can speed up the healing process. Our skin has two types of adult stem cells, hair follicle and epidermal. When our skin doesn't have enough serine, a non-essential amino acid, our body tells the hair follicle stem cells to help the epidermal cells heal the injured skin. The researchers are now looking at ways to manipulate serine levels through diet and drugs to drastically accelerate the healing process. And finally, why football players should start taking ballet classes. A new study in the Clinical Journal of Sport Medicine shows that athletes who focus only on one sport are much more likely to get injured. The findings are true for both men and women. The researchers say athletes can reduce their chances of injury by playing just one extra sport for a few months a year. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Mayan Vasta Betancourt.